My name is Baines. I'm a mixer and engineer based out of Los Angeles. The first time I heard an Atmos mix, I was just blown away. You have sounds coming from above you, from behind you, and all of these elements that you can work with now that weren't there before. Before, you're just trying to cram everything into a left and a right. With products like the Galaxy Buds2 Pro, you're able to experience what it's like to hear an Atmos mix in earbuds. You can turn your head left and right and it would feel like you're moving in a room. So once I'm done with my Atmos mix, I just send the mix to my Galaxy phone and stream it to my earbuds. Before you needed to sit in a studio, now you can have a Galaxy phone and the Buds2 Pro in your pocket. That's an Atmos studio right there. It's freeing, liberating, and I think the possibilities are endless.